Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's enter first of all and the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but basically this whole operation looks pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to follow my steps and apply them to your browser. So as I said, let's open the browser, and in Google Chrome we have to enter the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And this is the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want to, you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button right next to the specific website. However, you can also enter clear browsing data option, which is at the top, and here we've got basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies, inside data and cached images and files, and in advanced saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days or even all time. So let me choose this option and tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.